So welcome back students. We had already done the first part of the chapter where I have told you that this Mr. Nuttall, he had come to meet Mrs. Sappleton, but he is not able to meet her. Instead he meets her niece, 15-year-old niece, and he was having a talk with her. They had just met, and he did not know what to begin, what to start with. So now, I know how it will be, his sister had said when he was preparing to migrate to his rural retreat. You will bury yourself down there and not speak to a living soul, and your nerves will be worse than ever before mopping. I shall just give you letters of introduction to all the people I know there. Some of them, as far as I can remember, were quite nice. So now the Mr. Nuttall's sister, she's telling him that you will not be talking to him. You are trying to migrate. Migrate is to move to a new place, to the rural retreat, because he wanted to go to a village setting to calm himself, to take a rest. Retreat is basically to go to a safe or a private place to rest. So he wanted to move to a different place to take rest because he was uh, having some nervous issues, medical issues. She's telling that you will bury yourself down there and not speak to a living soul. You will not be talking to anybody, and this way what will happen, that you are going there to take some rest, but you will end up getting very bored. Mopping is, you will feel dejected and you will feel unhappy and bored. So she, to help him out, she gives him a few letters of introduction of the people she knew there. So because the sister had Mr. Nuttall's sister had lived there for some time. So this sister is telling that as far as I remember, as far as I recall, some people I met over there in that particular place were quite nice. They were quite good. So Frampton wondered whether Mrs. Sappleton, the lady whom he was presenting one of the letters of introduction, came into the nice division. So he was just thinking, he was thinking whether this lady whom he was supposed to meet, in which division she will come, a nice one or not so nice one. So he was just wondering and thinking. Do you know many of the people around here? Asked the niece. So while he was thinking all these things, and he is talking about the past, so now this niece, she speaks to him, she talks to him, and she asks that, do you know any people around here? When she judged that they had insufficient silent communion, means they had just met each other and they were not talking to each other till now. So now she thought, let me ask him, because enough time they have spent sitting together without any communication. So to break the silence, she asked him that, do you know people around here? So Mr. Nuttall, Mr. Frampton or Mr. Nuttall, whosoever, you can call him by both the names. He said, hardly a soul. Hardly a soul means I don't know anybody in particular. My sister was staying here at the rectory, some 4 years ago, and she gave me letters of introduction to some of the people here. So he told her that, no, I don't know anybody one over here. She was staying at the rectory. Rectory is the house of a senior church official, okay, and that was around 4 years ago that she was staying there, and she has given some letters of introduction of the people. He made the last statement in a tone of distinct regret. So he now thought that I should not have told her that I have letters of introduction of the people. So distinct over here is clear. He was feeling, and regret is that he was feeling sorry. Why did he say such a thing? So more in the next section, next part. Thank you.